Choose exterior finishes that block access and deny food sources to pests to reduce long-term maintenance and infestation risk. Fiber cement siding provides a durable wood-like barrier that resists termite consumption and should be installed with a 1/4 inch gap at the foundation and a weather-resistant barrier behind it. Cut panels with carbide blades and seal cut edges with an acrylic latex caulk. Brick offers a non-organic surface that termites ignore, and when combined with a continuous mortar joint and proper weep holes, it sheds moisture that would otherwise attract pests. Ensure the brick ledge and flashing are continuous and slope away from the wall. Stone veneer behaves like brick when installed over a water-resistive barrier, and metal flashing at all transitions prevents capillary movement of water into wood framing. Backwrap sill plates with a corrosion-resistant flashing that laps onto the foundation. Metal siding or metal panels create an insect-hostile surface and are especially effective where they overlap tightly and are fastened above treated bottom rails. Use closed-cell foam backer where panels meet framing to eliminate gaps. Stucco can be pest-resistant when installed with proper weep screeds and a drainage plane, and when the stucco terminates a minimum of 1 inch above grade to prevent contact with soil. Use corrosion-resistant mesh and flashings, and maintain a clean gap at the foundation. Trim and joints are common weak points, so use pressure-treated trim in ground contact areas, seal and paint all joints with an exterior-grade elastomeric sealant, and install metal flashing at any wood to masonry connections to keep moisture and pests out. Common mistakes include leaving wood siding or trim in contact with soil, which invites termites and moisture. Raise materials off-grade, use pressure-treated pieces where contact is unavoidable, and install a 1 inch clearance to soil where possible. Another issue is poor flashing details at roof lines and transitions, which allow water and insects to enter. Inspect and install continuous corrosion-resistant flashing at every horizontal break and seal with a high-quality exterior sealant. A third problem is unsealed gaps and weep holes behind cladding that give pests access and nesting space. Close gaps with non-nutrient backer like closed cell foam, maintain built-in ventilation with screens where needed, and routinely inspect and re-caulk joints. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare exterior finish options and locate local contractors experienced in pest-resistant installations. And we make it easy for contractors to find work by connecting them with nearby projects. We also host a discussion community where we share field tips, ask questions, and trade practical solutions related to exterior finishes and pest resistance.